There's some more Yeezy slides releasing on the 22nd. We're getting a brand new colorway. Once again, we are going to see another colorway restock. But once again, we're going to see Yeezy slides come back to save our reselling lives and our reselling careers so we can all get out of debt and make some money back. Let's talk about the Yeezy slides. It is true, on August 22nd, we are going to see a release of a brand new Yeezy slide colorway, the Yeezy slide Flax. I'll put it up right over there. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hey, that kind of looks like the Yeezy slide, whatever, pure brown or ochre, whatever that chocolate brown slide was that we got before. But this one is a little bit different. We're also going to see a restock, apparently, of the Yeezy Bones. You just have to assume now, whenever one Yeezy slide restocks, we're always gonna see another one come out with it as well. So we're gonna see. Sorry to interrupt. I just wanna hop in here real quick. Tonight, starting at 10 p.m. Central Time, I'm going to do my first ever Subathon. So tonight, starting at 10 p.m., we're gonna do the Subathon. I'm gonna have all rules listed below in the description as to how you guys can keep this stream going. This could go 6 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 2 days. It's up to you guys, however long this stream goes. We're going to be doing a bunch of cool stuff throughout the stream, playing games with people. I've got a ton of cool stuff lined up, giveaways out the, just going crazy. So, we're going to do that tonight, starting at 10 p.m. Central. Make sure that you guys are subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on. This may be my first and only ever Subathon, so tune in. I'll see you guys tonight. 2 Yeezy slides come out on August 22nd. I believe that's a Monday. This video is coming out a little bit early to give you guys time to prepare. We'll talk about this tonight on the stream, as well as we're coming back with the Kith restock stream tonight. Be sure you subscribe to the channel. That way you guys are notified for that. Plus, speaking of everything resale related, have you checked out Juiced? Juiced is the best cook group on the market, guys. First link down there in the description. We give you guys a free trial to Juiced, courtesy of moi. So thank you so much to me. Thank you to all the guys at Juiced. I look forward to seeing you guys in the chat. We will chum it up there and just become actual best friends. No parasocial relationships. So, moving back to the Yeezy slide release that we're going to see on the 22nd. So, both of these pairs are coming out. What can we expect resale-wise, especially with the Flax, because it's a brand new colorway? What can we expect? I'm going to pull this up on the screen. As you guys can see now, the Yeezy slide Flax. Pre-sale prices aren't great. Right now, they're at like $128. All sales are right around the $130 range. It doesn't matter the size, they're all around $130. But I wouldn't expect too much from that. I mean, look at all the sales just today and in the last couple days. This is one that's gonna move pretty quick. I expect prices to go up a little bit after the release. This is a shoe that, even though it has other slides that are very similar to this color, I think it's gonna do well just because it is a Yeezy slide, and Yeezy slides always do pretty well. This one is gonna come in at that same $70 retail. You guys can go ahead and mark that down. Yeezy slides coming in another $70 retail. So that is the Yeezy slide Flax. We're also going to be seeing the Yeezy slide Bone coming in on the 22nd. You guys can see right here. Prices for this one right now are kind of down from the original Bone. Man, that original Bone, $314. That's insane. This is the 2022 restock pair, which is what we're going to see on the 22nd. If these do indeed restock, which they are rumored to right now. Prices for these right around, let's see, we have 118, 140, 120. I would say somewhere right around the 130 range on these as well. Now, whenever you're determining what sizes to go for on these, I don't think you guys really have to worry. They're still going to be tough to get because it is a Yeezy slide. I wouldn't get too picky on any of the sizes that you're going for on the Flax or the Bone. I don't think you can go wrong on any sizes with either colorway. Like I said, it's a Yeezy slide. The retail is super cheap at $70. You're gonna make a ton of money on these. We're gonna be talking about the best Yeezy supply bots tomorrow, but I will give you guys just a little heads up of some of the bots I'll be running for this one. Obviously, gonna be running bots like Trickle, like Valor. We will be running some Prism in there as well. also run bots probably like Secret.io. Yeah, those are the ones that I could think of off of the top of my head. In terms of proxies, we just had Yeezy Day, so we're gonna be running a lot of the same proxies and stuff that we just ran. Things like that, we're gonna be running live, we're gonna be running Porter. Obviously, we'll be running as many ISPs as we can, because you guys know ISPs have been performing super well on Yeezy supply. This video, I think, is releasing on like maybe the 18th or the 19th, something like that. So you guys have plenty of time to farm your Gmails, okay? If you haven't been farming them, it's not the end of the world. Start right now. Pause the video and go start farming your Gmails. I'll wait. Actually, I'll give you guys 10 seconds to start farming your Gmails right now. Open it up, hit the start button, and get them all farming. I'll give you guys 10 seconds. Let's put up a timer right here on the screen, and I'll give you guys 10 seconds for that, okay? All right, that's probably pretty close to 10 seconds. My internal clock is pretty on point. So, the moral of the story, guys, the basis, the gist, the overall arcing theme of this video, we are gonna see 2 Yeezy slides coming out on the 22nd. Just be ready for it. Yeezy slide Flax, and apparently the Yeezy slide Bone is also going to be restocking on this day. This is next Monday, so you guys have the entire weekend to prepare for this release. I may do a stream over the weekend preparing you guys for this one as well. If you guys want to see something like that, comment down below. Bots, our typical bots, but we're going to be going over the best Yeezy supply bot tomorrow, so be ready for that one. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, comment down below, guys, on what you guys think of this Yeezy slide Flax. Where do you see resale numbers going for this one in the next 3 to 6 months? I see this one probably sitting around the 140, 150 range. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. As always, guys, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the first link in the description. That will get you guys into Juiced for free. Take advantage of that deal, guys, while we still have it available. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the stream tonight. Soul Stay from Juiced. Signing out.